Hey fam, are you ready to transform your hair journey and learn how to start your own beautiful locks? Today we're diving into a starter locks tutorial that will leave you looking fresh, confident, and ready to step out like royalty. But hold up, this isn't any tutorial. Nope, this is a story time that will lift your spirit, sprinkle some laughter on your day, and keep you glued to the last twist. So sit tight, relax, and let's vibe. Alright, picture this. It was a hot Tuesday afternoon in Lagos. The kind the sun was doing overtime, and every breeze had gone on strike. Our main character today, let's call him Tolu. Tolu had been trying to get his hair game right, but every time he looked in the mirror, all he saw was, well, let's just say the barbing salon had done him dirty. One too many times. You sabi the feeling, right? Wetin be this? God, Jesus. Remember that guy, right? That was exactly how Tolu was feeling. But Tolu did give up. He said, nah, if I can't get it done right at the barbing salon, I will start my own locks at home. And guess what? You can too. First step, start by sectioning your hair neatly. Trust me, this part is like laying the foundation of jollof rice. If you miss it, the whole thing will get as it will be. Take your time, use a tail comb and part your hair into even sections. Don't rush, oh. You want these parts to be sharp enough to impress even your streetest auntie at the next family meeting. Now, clip each section to keep them in place. Easy, Abby. Let's keep going. As Tolu sat in front of the mirror, sweat dripping and fingers cramping, he almost gave up. Why am I doing this? He thought. But you see, life is funny. Sometimes, just when you're ready to quit, you're actually on the edge of greatness. And that's when Tolu's phone buzzed. A message from his friend reading, "Guy, remember smooth seas never made skilled sailors?" Tolu smiled, took a deep breath, and twisted that hair like he was spinning gold. To create your starter locks, twist each section gently between your fingers and roll it down to the end. Add a little bit of locking gel or natural oil to keep it secure and hydrated. Repeat for each section, making sure you're consistent with the direction you twist. Rightly, tightly, lefty, loosey. Pick one and stick to it. Okay, by the third twist, Tolu's arms were begging for mercy, and his playlist had gone from hype to why God, why? But he knew that the glow up was going to be worth it. And just like that, Tolu remembered that even when it feels hard and your hands are tired, you're investing in a crown that no one can take from you. Kings and queens, real talk, right? The journey to beautiful locks starts with patience, a steady hand, and a little bit of prayer. Can I get an amen, please? Now, after you've twisted every section, spray your hair lightly with a mist of water or a conditioning spray. This keeps your starter locks moisturized and it prevents breakage. And there you have it, fam. Tolu looked in the mirror, his new looks looking sharp, and he whispered, I did it. Actually, I did it. And guess what? You too can. Everything is going to be okay. Just take it one twist at a time. Hey, if you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed the story, hit that like button, drop a comment, share your own lock journey, and don't forget to follow for more tips. Subscribe, for more tips and good vibes. Let's keep this community growing, one twist at a time. Till next time, keep your head high and remember, you are royalty. Bye.